Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private server in Roblox. Now, whether you have an iPhone, an Android, or a computer, if you wanted to create your own private server, maybe a free private server or one that you have to pay Robux for, I'm going to show you everything there is to know to create it and manage it. Now, first just open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, or go to roblox.com. Now let's check to see if you have current private servers by tapping on More at the bottom right. Scroll down, tap on Inventory. Tap on Accessories at the top. Scroll down again and tap on Private Servers. This will show you all of your current private servers. Again, some of these are paid, some of them are free. For instance, I can tap on this private server for Blue Lock Rivals. If I wanted to access the private server, I need to scroll to the bottom, tap on Servers, and there it will show my private server. I can tap on Join to start that game within that private server if I wanted to. However, let's say you don't already have a private server. Tap on Servers here and tap Create Private Server at the top. Essentially, that will allow you to, let me go into a different game here. Let's, for instance, go into Kick a Lucky Block. Again, to create that private server, scroll down, tap on Servers at the bottom, and tap Create Private Server at the top. You can enter in whatever name that you want for that private server. You can see the experience name, in this case, Kick a Lucky Block, and the price at the top. In this case, it is free. Some Roblox games do require you to pay Robux every single month to have that private server. When you're ready to go, tap Buy Now at the bottom left, and you will have created your own private server. You might need to tap the refresh button to be able to see it. You can see 0 of 5 people max. Next, tap the 3 dots at the top right and tap on Configure. This is where you can manage your own private server. You can change the server name. You can allow other people to automatically join your server. And you can turn on whether you want friends to be allowed to play within your private server or not. You can also go in and add people as server members or hit generate to generate a code or a link to send to somebody else so that they can join your private server and start playing with you. Now, let's say if you wanted to get a free private server, but always it says that you have to pay Robux and you don't have Robux, there is a workaround that you can potentially use. Let's go into one of these other ones that will require us to pay for a private server. Tap on Servers here, tap Create Server, and you can see it's 20 Robux a month. One option you have instead of doing that is to tap on Exclude Full Servers, and then Number of Players, instead of descending, tap on Ascending. What you're going to look for, and keep in mind you will need to constantly hit refresh, is that some people will have a private server, but there won't be anybody in that private server. So it will say something like 0 of 22 people max. So if you refresh this and check every once in a while, and it says 0 of 10 people or 0 of however many people, you can just join, and essentially you're joining someone else's private server completely free, even if they're not in that server currently playing in it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right, and I hope you enjoy your day.